How can Trimax colleges protect themselves from potential threats posed by Google Dogging? Monitor online presence. Regularly search for the college's sensitive information online using lurking techniques to identify what information is publicly available. If sensitive data is found, take immediate steps to remove or secure it. So yung monitor online presence is check po natin lagi yung sensitive information na pwedeng makita pag nag-Google Doc. And pag meron pong nakitang sensitive data, gawan po agad ng action para ma-secure or matanggal. So next is incident response plan. Create and maintain an incident response plan. This strategy should include important steps in the response process and lay out the actions to be performed in the event of a security breach. Yung incident response plan naman po is mag-create lang po ng plan para po ma-actionan yung maaaring maging insidente pag may Google Docs na po. So yung pangatlo po is legal protections. Accept and comply with by local rules and regulations pertaining to data privacy. This establishes legal protection and outlines obligations with relation to user data. Ito naman pong legal protection from the word itself po. Legal protection po para po maprotektahan yung mga local rules and regulations. Yung mga data, it pertains po sa data privacy. Number 2, how might the combination of both steganography and cryptography change the landscape of information security? Advantage po nito is, didiscuss rin po yung advantage and challenges. And yung advantage po is convert communication. Steganography allows for hidden communication channels within innocuous looking files, making it harder for unauthorized parties to detect the presence of sensitive information. Steganography po is, example po nan is yung pwede pong hide po ng text sa isang image po. Tapos yun po yung sa convert communication. And enhanced data protection po. By encrypting data and embedding it within another file using steganography, you create multiple layers of security even if attacker discovers the concealed data. They would need to decrypt. Yun nga po, pag mag-steganography po kayo tapos may hidden message po doon at naalaman niya po yung hidden message, pwede rin po yung gamitan ng cryptography para po mahirapan pa po at mahirapan po sila ma-decrypt yung pinaka-message po. Yung challenge lang po nito is yung detection. It can be difficult to detect steganographically hidden content, which poses a challenge for security personnel and law enforcement agencies trying to identify illicit activities. Alam naman po natin na mahirap gamitin mahirap i-detect yung steganography and yung cryptography, lalo na po pag walang mga clue po like sheet key. Tapos yung number 3 po, if Caesar cipher is easily breakable, why do you think it was effective during its initial usage in ancient times? Lack of technology po yung pinaka-main reasonan. Without modern computational tools, the process of brute force decryption, where every possible ship is tried, was time-consuming and required a lot of manual effort, making it less practical for potential eavesdropper. Siyempre po, nung panahon po ni Julius Caesar, wala pa po masyadong technology noon. Mahirap pong yung sa ciphertext po. Kasi po ngayon, pwede na po siyang i-search sa Google kung paano po ma-decrypt yung Caesar cipher. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.